I'm Fish. I don't think I'm going to be doing this anymore. I'm going to be doing it a lot more than you can imagine. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I got the DJI Mic 2 on. Did you know that this Staples may become a luxury compact place? No signs outside or anywhere saying we're closing in June of 2026. Insta360 has been in contact with me, and I asked them a very important question. Has anybody else reported this issue? And you know what they told me? Fish, we haven't received your camera in. I never asked. And that's what they wanted to tell me. Look at this, fighting to go. I could have turned my camera around real fast, I didn't. Every single time I hit the shutter button, I believe if the screen is up, somehow the photo gets hit. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm heading out to Home Depot and I'm looking to pick up a bathroom faucet. So let's get going. Let's head on down. Must be a school bus rally. Let's go join. So as we head into Home Depot, I think that's the only thing I need to look for is the bathroom faucet kit. And off we go. I popped the screen up and I gotta be careful with my hands. I could probably do the nollie, but I can't do the 5-finger thing because I got hand gesture on. All right, let's get where we need to be. No barbecue today, but that's a good price. Even better. 2 minutes early. Let's just walk to the plants. Take a look. And they'll be open by then. Did I see 3 for $10 tomatoes? And I paid $5 per? Told you to pick these up. Now they're back to $7 a piece. This is not that bad, 3 for $12, but the ones I got, I'm happy and contented. Oh man, this is the first time I saw this deal. Buy 5 for 10. Let's go walk inside, go get what we need if they have it, and out we go. Off we go, get what we need, get on going. I don't like holding my camera up and filming, certain things, but I get the job done. How am I supposed to get into the aisle and look what I need to look at? Well, that's called loss of sale. Come back another day. Open up a little earlier, take care of business, then let the customers come in. Then do it all day long. Remember, some stuff, it's not their fault. Now my hand's been cupped over. I want out. I'm held prisoner. And, I held my hand over, and that may have caused this to do a photo. There are good days. There are bad days. It is what it is. Clean your store up. Do it on your own time. Don't do it on the customer's time when they walk in Home Depot. Maybe I'll go down to the bay, take a little walk. I should come down here and get gas for $4.55. over where I was at, it was like $4.69. That's a great savings. Nice and peaceful. The sun is up. The dew in the air. Oh yeah. I want to be by the bridge I could walk on out. There's just no spots over there. So we'll go to our usual spot, walk down to the end of the pier. We watched the American Princess go out. I did a little video. I came over here before. I am going to take the extra addo one day. I'm just going to take the camera, keep the vision dock on top, and let the camera go in the water. Let it go down until I can see the separation, the frequency breakage. No more. Watch the hands, fish. Watch the video just break apart when it hits the water and goes down, is what I'm saying. You could only dunk the camera, not the vision dock. But nobody says you cannot put it in the water for so many inches. Now how sweet is this shot? The sun in the clouds giving you a beautiful shot. I am packing up. I'm getting on out. I gotta get on going. I did stop for a little bit. Yes, indeed. I'm being watched. Oh, what's that person doing at the end of the pier? He must be filming. I did a little research from AliExpress, and June 6th, in that particular time, couple of weeks pre-order for $500 and $530, the most tax and all. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, man. I don't know if you got to pay tariff charges or, that's an awesome price. Just about the same price that DJI is offering. So why do we got to go to AliExpress where DJI could just basically do what they're doing? You got to look one way, then the other way, then you could cross to your car, then you got to look this way to be safe to get in the car. Yeah. You never know, lock and go. Safe to pull out. Nobody in the front of you, side of you. Well, that's how we do. Let's get on going. Get on blinded by the sun. Well, I am Fish. Yes, indeed. I'll see you on another day.